Hey, what's up, podcast family? I have a special one for you today. This is a recording, an edited recording of a private message that I sent to one of our clients. This guy is taking massive action, and right when he gets to the finish line, he's having some anxiety. Take a listen. I hope this encourages you. Hey, what's going on, AJ? Alex here, man. I just saw your messages and was put in front of me this morning about how the campaign is going and your experience with All-Star. I reached out to them and they shared just a brief summary of what's been going on and how they set phone appointments, and your next step is to turn them into office appointments. I just wanted to give you some encouragement. You are, first of all, just to commend you for taking big, bold steps, hiring us to run this giveaway, setting up the collaboration with All-Star Appointments. I mean, those are big, bold moves. I can already tell just by you taking those actions that you take your business very seriously, and your courage and your go get 'em is really exciting and inspirational to me. I work with a lot of people, and having somebody like you who just goes for it is always so much fun. There's so much momentum that happens when you do that. I also know that, you're a little bit nervous about hopping on the phone and making those calls to set up the in-office appointments. And I just want to encourage you, personally, one-to-one, and just say that this final step, it's like the ball has gone from the valley and you're almost pushing it over the mountaintop. It just needs that one final push. And number one, I believe in you. I know that you can do it. Number two, the team at All-Star is setting appointments only with people who want to talk to you about insurance. So I believe that when you call them and you're able to just explain who you are and what they're going to get in that meeting, I truly believe that they will set up a time to meet with you and your manager and your teammate, so that you can talk to them about their insurance needs. They've already expressed interest. It's just a matter of getting them, to say yes. The other thing, one of the areas that I know I struggled with is if I missed a call or if I delayed it, I thought that it was a missed opportunity, but it's not a missed opportunity. Even though there are some calls that maybe were on the calendar and you didn't make it, those are still opportunities that are in front of you, ready for you to go get. Those people have already expressed an interest in insurance and getting to know you. And I believe you had something like 10 appointments set for you. I mean, that's amazing. Your list is hungry. The giveaway funnel worked. You have people that signed up to win the gift. And now that they have heard from you, they've gotten your emails, they are so excited to chat with you. So go for it, man. You have so much opportunity in front of you. I'm so excited for you. And I'm here to help and support you as you take massive action. You've already done that. You've already taken massive action. Now it's just pushing the ball up that final 10%. It's like the ball's at the goal line. You got to push it in for the touchdown. So you got this. I'm excited for you. I'm here for you. I know the team at All-Star Appointments is really excited. Your list is hungry and very anxious to talk with you about the different types of insurance products you have. So you're going to crush it, man. Let me know if there's anything else I can do for you. I hope that motivated you and got you excited. I would love the opportunity to work with you directly so that I can see what's going on in your business and give you similar types of encouragement. Go ahead and join my VIP program. Go to alexbranning.com/VIP and hop on our Friday morning calls. I'll see you there.